Hey YouTube, it's Katelyn. Thanks for tuning into my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this floral arrangement. I originally purchased this green piece. It was a candle. I think I got it from Home Goods, and after the candle was finished, I love this piece so much, I wanted to use it. So I figured why not put a couple flowers inside and make it a little vase. First, I'm going to take my hot glue gun and glue on this foam piece to keep the flowers better in place. And I'm just going to let that sit for a second to dry. Now I'm going to take my flowers and start arranging them to how I like them. First, I cut them with this flower cutter that I got from Michael's. Cut them apart so that I can individually place them the way that I like. Just going to place them into the foam. They stick pretty well. You can also fold the stem and manipulate it however you'd like. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's more of like a preference, how you like it. And sometimes you move it around a little bit, before you get it just right. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you end up doing any DIY that's similar to this, please let me know down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.